Did you know a ruler could make or break your woodworking project? Introducing the Tourace aluminum rulers. These rulers aren't just any rulers. They come in a set of 3, 6, 8 and 12 inches, perfect for all your measuring needs. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy and precision crafted by CNC process, they're wear-resistant, rust-proof and incredibly durable. But wait, there's more. Each ruler features a built-in slide stop that runs the entire length, making repeat measurements a breeze. Whether you're measuring vertically or need depth measurements, these rulers have got you covered with clear inch and metric markings. The best part? These rulers are light, portable and designed to withstand tens of thousands of uses without losing accuracy. No more fumbling with multiple tools. The Tourace aluminum rulers have everything you need in one sleek package. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Check out the link in the description and top comment to get your hands on these rulers today.